Hello coders, in this video we are going to discover a curated list of Go libraries that will help you to solve the complex problems. From web development to data manipulations, we have got you covered. So make sure to stick around till the end because you won't want to miss out on these incredible gems. So first library is GorillaMux. It is a powerful HTTP router and URL matcher for building a web application in Go. With GorillaMux, handling HTTP requests becomes a breeze. It provides a clean and elegant API that allows you to define complex routing patterns with ease. So say goodbye to manual routing and focus on building the core functionality of your web application. Next library is GOM. It is a fantastic ORM library for Go if you are working with database in your Go projects. GOM is a game changer. It simplifies data management by providing a high-level, intuitive API for common database operations. Whether you are interacting with MySQL, Postgres, or SQLite, GOM has got you covered everywhere. Third library is CASBIN. So CASBIN library is already implemented in Java, PHP, and Node.js. This is a security library, and as a security is a top priority when it comes to building the robust application. So that's why we have CASBIN, a powerful authorization library for Go. With CASBIN, you can manage access control and permissions effortlessly. It supports various access controls models like RBAC, ABAC, and PBAC, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Take your application security to the next level with CASBIN. Next library is TESTIFY. Testing is a crucial part of software development and TESTIFY make it a lot of more enjoyable. TESTIFY is a popular testing toolkit for Go that provides a set of utilities and assertions to simplify your testing workflow. From mocking to assertions, TESTIFY has everything you need to write clean and reliable tests. So now you can say goodbye to tedious and complex testing code. Next we have GIN. So this is a web framework that enables programmers to create Go-based high-performance online applications. GIN's speed is one of the features that sets it apart from the other web frameworks. It is intended to be quick and effective, which is crucial when developing a web application that must deal with a lot of traffic. So it is also quite simple to use. Building a web application is easy thanks to the simple syntax and abundance of capabilities. So these 5 libraries are going to help a lot in software development with Golang. Thank you.